In this video, I will show you how to safely lift your Kia Sportage onto jack stands. Whether you're performing maintenance or repairs, securing your vehicle properly is crucial. Let's get started. First, park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake. For added safety, place wheel chucks on the rear wheel to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Always chuck the rear wheel that is on the opposite side of the car. Diagonal from the side of the car you will be jacking up. Now locate the recommended jacking points. For the front jacking points, you will find them just behind the front wheels. Look for reinforced metal section marked with notches on the pinch weld. This is where you will place your jack stand. But where do you place the jack? You can't place it here because this is where you will place the jack stand after lifting up the car. I have looked through the owner's manual and the service manual of Sportage. This is the only spot mentioned where you can jack up the vehicle. None of the suspension parts feel strong enough to support the weight of the vehicle. The only place that looks safe to jack up the Sportage is under the A pillar. So what I do is remove the ratcheting post and place the jack stand under the jacking point. And then place the hydraulic jack right next to the jack stand. Since this is a little off the jacking point, place a wooden block under the body to spread the load. If you place the wooden block under the pinch weld, it might split and cause damage to the vehicle. So what I do is place the block right behind the pinch weld. Then position the jack so that it's right under the frame of the body. Now begin lifting the vehicle slowly and steadily until the wheel is off the ground. For safety reasons, do not lift the car too high, just enough to place the jack stand under. Now it's time to place the jack stand. Slide the ratcheting post back into the jack stand. I recommend that you place this rubber adapter on your jack stand as it protects the pinch weld from damage. Slide the jack stand under the jack point and adjust it to the desired height. Make sure it's stable and securely locked. Slowly lower the jack until the weight of the vehicle rests on the jack stand. Once done, remove the jack. Repeat the process to lift up the other side. Double check that the vehicle is secure by gently nudging it. If it stays stable, your car is properly supported and safe for work. For added safety, place spare wheels underneath the car near the jack stands. This precaution helps protect you if the jack stand were to fail unexpectedly. And that's how you lift your Kia Sportage onto jack stands. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.